Hi guys, Dr. Missy here, Director of Clinical Nutrition here at Revive Chiropractic Centers, talking to you again about headaches and what it is that we can do at home to prevent some of the triggers that I talked to you about in the previous video. We talked about perfumes, fragrances. Those are the ingredients in our natural care or not natural care products that may be triggering headaches and other health problems. So what you can do is you can get on one of my favorite sites, which is Pinterest, and you can put in, when you search, look for natural cleaning DIY solutions, that kind of thing. You can put in different types of like natural perfumes that people have pinned on their boards, all kinds of ideas. Amazon is a great resource. Whole Foods and Good Foods Co-op are going to be great resources as well. Roberts, they have lots of natural colognes and perfumes. If you do still like to smell great or like your room to smell wonderful, or you want your cleaning product to smell great, you can still do that without taxing your health.